Outline the crest of the ridge for the general location of the bar. Screw in the plastic sleeves and be careful not to over-tighten because it may cause the bar to warp. Measure and mark the length of the bar patterns to be installed. Mix the PQ-Plast polymer and monomer to your desired firmness level. Apply a thin coat of PQ-Plast to the plastic waxing sleeves to ensure a rigid bar pattern. Cut bar patterns using a thin diamond disc. Install the VKS-SG Bar Matrix sections using a Servier and a VKS bar mandrel. Place small amounts of sticky wax to hold the bar in place between the plastic sleeves. Use the analyzing rod to make sure that all parts are parallel. Reinforce the connections with small amounts of PQ-Plast. Add wax to the plastic sleeves in preparation for milling. At this point, the plastic sleeves should be reduced in height. Mill the wax using a wax milling burr at approximately 5,000 to 8,000 RPMs. Pre-milling the wax reduces extensive finishing after the pattern is cast in metal. Gently unscrew the bar and check for a passive fit. Place screws on the bar areas in front and behind the screw holes. Attach the runner bar in segments. This will aid in controlling the linear shrinkage of metal during the cooling process upon casting. Invest in cast using conventional methods. Apply milling oil and start milling. Begin milling around the implant areas first using a die-tit cross-cut medium round burr. Continue to use the milling oil to achieve smoother milled surfaces and to create less heat. Using milling oil will also extend the cutting life of milling burrs. Two millimeters of milled surface area is enough to establish parallel surfaces. However, a greater milled area will provide more precision and friction if so desired. Any area such as this one here that cannot be milled all the way up to its height can be hand finished later on. Refine the milled areas using a die-tit cross-cut fine burr. Once the milled areas have been established, the rest of the bar can be hand finished. The height of the implant bar can be reduced up to the height of the screw head. Keeping the bar absolutely flat on the occlusal surface will create a low-profile situation. Unmilled areas of the bar can be finished using a rubber cylinder. A rubber wheel can be used to further reduce and smooth out some protruding areas of the bar. Surrounding areas of the ball attachment can be finished using a thin diamond disc. After using the diamond disc, these areas can be smoothed out with a very thin knife edge rubber wheel. Round off and smooth out all areas of the bar that will come in contact with the gingival areas with the Super Diapol Fine Grit Diamond Polisher. This will produce a high luster that will not require any further polishing. polish the ball attachment, use the Abrasive Fix round polishing brushes. Note, in order for these brushes to perform properly, the metal should be freshly sandblasted. Abrasive Fix brushes will not reduce any material as it polishes by micro-burnishing. Note, before initial use, these brushes need to be rubbed up against a piece of sandpaper or truing stone in order to expose the abrasiveness in the brush. Abrasive Fix brushes are available in different grits. Select the one best suited for your alloy. Lightly shine the bar using a cotton buff wheel and a small amount of Abrasive Star glazed paste.